the gallant dread. They ride not for glory, nor coin, nor praise, but for the ghost of ancient days, for thrones long buried in fire and stone, for banners lost and names unknown. Through misted fields and ashen moor, the Cavaliers ride once more, with sigils cracked and blades well worn, with armor stained and helms battle-torn. They charge through dusk, through storm and flame, bound not by fear, but oath and name. One bears a cage upon his crown, a penance for a city drowned. One wears the lion, grim and bold, his sword a shard of stories old. Their banner dances like a flame, a whisper of the Freeguild name. And though the dark is vast and near, the Cavaliers show no fear. For every steed that strikes the earth, a mortal soul recalls its worth. Through ruin's edge they lead the line, with faith as shield and wrath as sign. They ride to die, or ride to save, to carve a path or mark a grave. And should they fall, the stone shall cry, the Freeguild rode. They did not die.